good morning. I know, good afternoon already. Now we're going to do shopping in clearance sale or clearance shop. So see you there. So we're already here, guys, and we're in the men's area, and we're looking t-shirt for my husband. But it's too expensive. This area here is already clearance area, but still very expensive. For example, this shirt here, yeah, this shirt is original price is a metal first, and the original price is 89.50, but it's already less for, I think, 65%. It's already less, and that's my attire. This is my attire. Yeah, like he's choosing something for summer shirts.
$27.
Yeah, the cheapest one here, it's already on sale, is $24, but it's hard to find $24 same size as him. How much is the one, Lily? Yeah, it's a Levi's. You can have it. Get it. Go. As you can see, guys, this is a Levi's, and it's already sale for $13. So I think it's very nice. Yeah, it's a nice one too. Yeah, I'm gonna hold it. And let's see for another one here. And this one is $26, guys. It's $26. The original price is $75. Guys, I'd love to buy this one. So let's go to the junior section. I want to go to the junior section for my that's my husband. he's the one carrying the things, I think. Yeah. So and this area is all junior section. Oh my god. Well, I have a little sandal. It's snowing, guys. It's snowing. I don't expect it's going to snow today. So that's what we bought today. What I told you the other day, baby. It's going to snow today, right? Let's get the FDR. Look at the snow, guys. It's a sudden, you know. It's already what do you call the one today? It's already spring, right? Yeah. It's already spring, guys, and suddenly it's snowing. And it's very big flakes of snow. Look at that. So, guys, we are done. Went to the Dillards clearance. That's the Dillards clearance where we went. The Dillards clearance. And I don't have so much video inside, guys. Then I'm going to show you the things that we bought there when we're going to arrive home. I supposed to drive back home, guys, but because of the weather, sudden snow, my husband is the one who's going to drive back home. Because the side mirror you can't see because it's full of snow, and the other side too, same here. So it's very dangerous for me to drive. So guys, we're already home, and I'm going to show you guys what we get in Dillards clearance sale. So first, I'm gonna show you guys this bag. The original price of this bag, guys, is $188. It's a $188, but it's a I don't know how many percent is this in sale, but I got this one for 65.80 cents. It's yeah, and it's a fossil, guys. So in a bargain or in a clearance sale, you cannot see a lot of things that there's nothing, no defect at all. But this bag, when I see this bag, it's in sale, but there's no damage or defect, any defect or scratches. So I get this bag. It's lightweight, and yeah, it's have many compartments. I think it's here and have small compartments here, or one, and also you can also have here one compartment here. And I really love it because it's not too heavy to wear, and it's not heavy to bring. Unlike the other bag, which is very expensive and it's already heavy without even you can put anything inside. It's
show you this skirt. Actually, I really don't like to wear or like this kind of shirt, but my husband wants me to wear this kind of shirts, guys. So I just want to try to wear this skirt, right? And the original price of this skirt is $68, and it's on sale for $19.99, and the brand is this one. This is the brand, guys. So yeah,
Still not too cheap, but the quality, guys, is very nice. It's very nice, and there is no any sign of damage like a run. Yeah, there's no damage in it, so I'm happy that I get the no damage.
and next is this summer and flowery dress. It is a dress, and this one is a dress. He wants me to like this summer clothes also, and it's a V-neck. Yeah, it's a V-neck. It is the brand of this one. It's a Vans Kamoto. I don't know how to read this one. And that's the brand. I don't know if you can see it, guys. Yeah, that's the brand. And the original price of this one is $128, and now it's for $19.99 US dollars.
So it's already very nice, and it's very nice also the fabric. It's very nice, and it's very cool, the fabric. It's even wear it.
Let's go for next one. And also this one. He wants me to wear this one, and he said it's very cute. This one he like me to wear this one, so we get this one too. This is from junior area, and this clothes is the original price is $89, and now it's already $19.99. So guys, I love this one too. Yeah, I like this clothes. I get this clothes from junior area also. And what happened? Yeah, and it really fits well, and it's a little bit of stretchy, not stretchy down, but it's stretchy like here, stretchy. And I also get this one for the price of, how much is this one? The price of $19.99, still 19, right? And the original price is $59. Yeah, it's $59, the original price, and now it's already $19.99. So this one, I love this one. When it's summertime, I like to wear this one, and I get this one in the price of $13, guys. It's just $13.65, and the original price is $39. Yeah, it's $39. The same price, and the brand is wristband. This size is a petite. The size of this one, still the same as $13.65.
Is the best skirt. The original price of this skirt is $119, and now it's $19.99. So you can wear this one, girl, if you have your interview, or you want just to wear like formal clothes you want to wear, and then you just going to wear this one with something for shirt up or anything you can wear. You're comfortable to wear whatever you want to go. And the brand guys is Antonio Mira.
This is a very kikay skirt. I really love this one too. This is a very kikay skirt, right? And it's not very thick and not very thin. It's very nice with fabric. I love it. And the price of this one is $19. The regular price is $60, and same, it's $19.99. Sale already. So, and
the fabric is very nice, and also there's no stain, and there's no defect on it. Yeah, and it really fits me well, so I love this one. Yeah, and lastly is this one. I love this one. It's like a bandana, but it's not like a bandana, but it's very, very, very cold, and it's very nice to wear. And it is the original price is $29, 29, and then now it's $10.15. It's very nice guys, so it's very refreshing to wear. And the brand is San Francisco. The name is N for San Francisco, made in Vietnam. Yeah, and it's very nice guys. It's very nice. I really love to wear this. Wearing your shorts and then with this tops is very nice one. Just a quick one because I don't. My husband said he doesn't want to include his thing that we buy there in the store. So this is what I have.
What he have is he already took out everything, so that's why I didn't include it. So this is just one. And then after that guys, after we went there for shopping, he said that you really cash in. I said, oh really? You should not bring me there, you know my weakness. You know my weakness. Like, oh, if you're going to bring me there for shopping, so of course I'm going to do shopping. What I'm going to do? So do shopping, right? And I hope guys you like my video, and thank you very much for watching. And mega love shoutout sa aking mga friendship, Mrs. Ireland, and also kay Mars, Bea, and Meg's Vlog, Mira, Tuas, si SALVE, Ben, and CIPCON, and to everyone, aking mga members. And thank you very much for supporting my live stream every day, and also watching my videos, everyone. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos to come. And have a blessed day. Bye bye guys. Thank you so much.